Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Where am I going? Whoa, I'm floating around. Woo, woo, woo. All right, having fun already. So what are we doing in math these days? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We're doing subtraction. Multiplication and division come more in like third and fourth grade, so we're not there yet, but we have some exciting subtraction to do today, as always. So let's start with our game called Eliminate It. All right, so let's see. These are the four cards I'm going to put out, and I want you to figure out which one you think should be eliminated. All right, mark, set, go. See what you think. Any ideas yet? Any thoughts? All right, let's take a vote like we always do. Okay, if and I'm going too fast, just pause the video and take as long as you want. Okay, so this is card number one, card number two. Okay, hold up the number of fingers that you think should be eliminated. Okay, so one, two, three, or four. Which one should we get rid of? Okay, let's see what we think. I see a lot of hands for card one. Let's see if you're correct. Well, card one, we have a five and one more. So that's 5, 6. So we know that's 6. Okay, let's try the next one. We have 5 in the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 2 more down below. So it's 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. Uh-oh, we have a 6 and we have a 7. One of those cards is out. Let's find out which one. Okay, card number 3, we have a 5. We know that's 5 because we can subitize that, right? Subitize is you look at it and bam, you know it, right? I can look at it and be like, oh, that's 5 because that is from dice and I recognize it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's 5. And that's also 2 more dots. So 5, 6, 7. That's another 7. Looks like number 1 might be going down, but let's make sure. Okay, here we go. We've got the last one. We've got 5 reds. Okay, it's always 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's 2 more. That's 5, 6, 7. So yes, 7 wins and 6, you are eliminated. All right, so if you said card number 1 should go out, nice job. If you did not, but you learned your mistake and you're learning and you're figuring it out and doing your best, good for you. Your brain's still growing, okay? All right, so yesterday we were solving problems. Well, 2 days ago we did it with the tree, which was like super fun. Yesterday, maybe not as fun, but we still get the point across. So we had our, so it says Tuesday practice. This is yesterday, okay? And you had your connecting cubes and your 10 frame. So for the rest of them, you should have, these are the answers you should have gotten. 5. So for example, you would have had 5 on your 10 frame. And if you took away 2, 1, 2, you're left with 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 4 take away 1 is also 3, right? 4 take away 1 is also 3. 9 take away 2 is 7. Okay? And let's see, we had another page here. 2 take away 1 is 1, right? 2 take away 1 is 1. 5 take away 1 is 4, right? 6 take away, sorry, 6 take away 5 is 1. See that? 6 take away 5 is 1, right? Or on your connecting, your 10 frame, it would have looked like this. 6. And then if we take away 5, if I took away this whole row, that would leave me with just 1. Okay? And then 8 take away 4 would give you 4. So let's see. If I have if I have 8, this is 4 and 4 makes 8, and I take away 4, I'm left with 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 take away 4 is 4. What? Phew, mind blown. Okay. All right, so today let's keep it moving. Let's keep it fresh here. Always got to keep it fresh. It should say Wednesday word problem. Word to the problem. Okay, here we go. It says that Cody. So if you don't have your paper out, make sure you get it out. Okay, pause the video if you need a minute and then come back. Okay, so Cody got 8 balloons for his birthday. Well, lucky Cody. Yay! But, uh-oh, it's never good when it says but 2 of them popped. Oh no! How many balloons does Cody have now? All right, so today, all you need is a pencil or a marker or whatever you have, okay? So let's draw this out. So we're going to draw, we did this with addition, boys and girls. Remember this? So we're going to draw 8 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we had 8 balloons. And then what happens? 2 of them popped. Are you getting a picture in your mind of what's happening? Can you picture a party, right? Maybe you're at the party and you know how kids get at parties. They're eating all that sugar and things get crazy and all of a sudden, pop, things start popping, right? Balloons pop. Okay, kids start crying. It's mayhem. Okay. Anyways, we're going to cross out 2 of these balloons. Does it matter which 2 we cross out? It does not. Just to keep it organized, I'm going to cross out the last 2. So pop, pop. 2 of them went down. Boom. Okay, so how many do we have left? Let's count. That's what we do in math, right? We count. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 6 left. Okay. So our number sentence would be that we started with 8 balloons. Right? 2 of them were taken away because they popped. Right. So on Monday it was that 2 leaves were falling, and then yesterday it was like that the butterflies were flying away, and today it's that the balloons are popping. But these are all examples of subtraction when things are taken away. Okay. But we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. 6 left over. All right. So you want to make sure you have that down. If you do not have that written down, you should do that right now. You can always pause the video if that helps. Okay, so let's go to our practice page. And here we are. It says Wednesday practice. And it says draw balloons to help you solve the number sentences below. The first one is done with me, Mr. McAndrew, in the video right here, right now. Okay, let's do it. Getting bored with green. Let's go with this is like a turquoise. It's like a more fun green. I don't know, I'm just in the mood. Okay. So let's see. We've got 7 minus 4. So we're going to draw 7 balloons. There's 1 balloon, 2 balloons, 3 balloons, 4 balloons, 5 balloons, 6 balloons, 7 balloons. Okay. That was exciting. Now let's pretend like 4 of them popped. It's a lot of balloons that popped. These kids are aggressive. Okay, so I'm going to cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we had 7. We took away 4. How many are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the same as 7 minus 4, or 7 take away 4, right? Or 7 balloons, 4 pop. Okay, so you're going to do the same with these. You have 4 take away 2, so you're going to draw 4 balloons. Okay, and 2 are going to pop. Here you're going to draw 9 balloons, and 1's going to pop. 3 minus 2, and then on the next page, you have a few more to do. I do want to point out something. I want to do this one right here. I want to do this one together, okay? So if you could turn to this, you can just watch me, okay? So I have 4 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. If you want to color more beautiful balloons, you go for it, okay? Now 4 of them pop. So let's cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them popped. I mean, kids are crying. They're like, it's just mayhem, boys and girls, mayhem. So how many are left? How many? None. Nada. Zilch. The other word for that is 0. Okay, so we're going to put a 0 there, okay? A 0 looks like a sort of like an oval circle, kind of, okay? So that's 0. This one is very similar to it, all right? But I do want you to draw it out. All right, boys and girls, awesome job. As always, rocking the math. Love it. You're awesome. I'll see you very, very soon. And be nice to your parents. All right, bye-bye.